Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I'll be doing a set of long acrylic nails and I'll be using Long Hair Pretty Nails number 8 Kolinsky brush. So if that's something you'd like to see, stay tuned. I start by pushing back my cuticles, and then using the opposite end I scrape off any excess skin. Next, I gently buff the surface of my nails. Next, I apply my nail tips, and the ones I'm using today are the BU clear stiletto tips, and you can find these on Amazon. You get around 500 tips for about $9. I use my acrylic nail cutter to clip the tips to my desired length. Next, I file and shape the tips. Okay, so today I'll be using Long Hair Pretty Nails number 8 Kolinsky brush. Now this brush was in partnership with Poochie's Nails. Let me just start by saying I love Long Hair Pretty Nails channel. She's one of my favorite YouTubers and she actually inspired me to start my own nail journey. So yeah, I love the pink brush. My delivery came super quick, so I was happy about that. It does feel like 100% Kolinsky, and so I'm super excited to test this brush out and see how I like it. I also purchased these iridescent crystals that I'll be using in today's design. I'm using Model 1's Baby Blue Acrylic Powder with Mia Secret Liquid Monomer, which I think is best for beginners such as myself. I'm prepping my nails with the Mia Secret Dehydrator. Then I'm applying a layer of the Mia Secret Primer. I start by placing a bead of acrylic in the center of my nail. I then feather that acrylic down my nail. I then place another bead of acrylic closer towards the cuticle area, and I gently pat and pull that acrylic, being really careful to not get the acrylic on my actual cuticle. I add my last bead of acrylic in the center of my nail, and this is to strengthen the apex. I must say that I really do like this brush so far. I feel like I can really control the acrylic and get it to move exactly how I need it to move. So far so good with this brush, and I am going to continue applying acrylic to all of my nails. So I will just let you all watch and see how I do this process. And this is how the nails look once all the acrylic has dried. And I'm using my Model 1's 180/100 grit nail file to file and shape my nails. these are the nails once they have been shaped, and they are looking beautiful. I then use my buffing block to buff the nails. Okay, so I added some of the iridescent crystals in a layer of top coat, and this is how the nails turned out. I absolutely love them. I love the shape, I love the color, I love the design, and I think that overall this is a job well done. In my opinion, I would give Long Hair Pretty Nails number 8 Kolinsky brush a 10 out of 10. I think it's great for beginners, and I just want to thank you all so much for watching today, and I'll see you in the next nail video.